Okay, guys, now we move on to section 3, and luckily, no multiple choice until now. Yeah, so sometimes if you are lucky, this will happen. Yeah, not at all. So, this is also Ielts without multiple choice. Anyway, section 3. This is what we call matching, right? Let's see how to do that. I'm reading it from top. Section 3, questions 21 to 27. What helped Stewart with each of the following stages in making his training film for museum? Now, questions are stages in making the training film for museum employees. So, questions 21 to 27, what are they? They are stages. Stages in making a training film. And by the way, if you take a look at the stages, do they give you any information? Finding a location, deciding an equipment, writing the script, casting. It doesn't give any information. Information is there, what helped Stewart. And that is where we have the options from A to I. Now we will go through, when they give you half minute to read the questions, don't read questions. I mean, you need to see, sometimes information is in the questions and the options A, B, C, D, they are only like tags. Tags are names of the book, names of people, names of stages, parts of presentation. So if it is only parts and names and all that, wherever it is, sometimes the same information 21 to 27, it will go up A, B, C, D, E, F. And the information which is A, B, C, D, it will come down. So you have to see which thing I need to read. I hope you understand my point. If the information is in the questions, read the questions. If information is in the options, then read the options. Like if they give you the names of the books, for example, 5 names of the books, and you are reading names of the books carefully, you don't need to. You need to read the comments on those books, because in the audio you will pick up those comments. Names of the books will be mentioned one by one. Now, please come to this option A. What helped Stewart? Advice from friends. For advice, he might use the word suggestions from my companions, suggestions from my friends, or my friends' advice, anything like that. Clear? So the point is, they will use synonyms for each option. They are not going to use the same wording. They will use synonyms. Option B, information on a website. For website, they commonly use internet, on the internet, or they commonly use online. I found a resource online. What does that mean? Information on a website. So just wait for anything like that. C, being allowed extra time. Being allowed extra time means my professor gave me extension of 1 week, extension of 2 weeks, or I was given 1 week extra. That means being allowed extra time. Option D, meeting a professional filmmaker. If he says, I met a film director, I met a producer, right? I met a Hollywood producer. So Hollywood producer means meeting a professional filmmaker. Option E, good weather conditions. Anything that is good weather. For example, sunny weather is good. Rain is not good weather condition, right? So it can be cloudy if it is good weather condition. So instead of weather conditions, they will talk about those conditions. For example, good weather conditions, say it was a sunny day with beautiful clouds and the wind was blowing. Good weather conditions, right? Next, getting a better computer. Now, if they mention like I had to get a better computer or maybe upgrade the computer for filming and editing, they need some better computers. So it's that. Option G, support of a manager. For manager, they might use the name of the manager or manager, he helped me, he assisted me, and all that. Option H, help from a family member. Very simple. For family member, he might use my brother, my sister, my father, my uncle, my mother, and all that. So that is help from a family member. Next, work on a previous assignment. So I had already worked on this assignment before. In my second year, I had already done a project that helped me here. So that is work on a previous assignment, right? Now, listen, how many questions do we have? How many options do we have? 9. That means 2 options are extra. So if you use those two extra options somewhere somehow, your two answers are going to be wrong. And if you use one right option, which is for question number 21, and you put it at question number 22, again your two answers will be wrong. Question number 21, find a location. Now this hand pointing finger will be on question number 21, and this hand holding the pencil will be moving around. Finding a location.
You will hear a tutor and a student discussing a project the student is working on.
Right, Stuart. Well, I've read your draft report on your work placement at the Central Museum Association. Sounds as if you had an interesting time. So you ended up making a film for them?
Yeah, it was a film to train the employees in different museums in the techniques they should use for labelling ancient objects without damaging them. Some of them are really fragile.
Okay. So in your report, you go through the main stages in making the film. Let's discuss that in a little more detail. You had to find a location, somewhere to shoot the film.
That took quite a few days because I had to look at different museums all over the country. But I'd allowed time for it. And even though it was the middle of winter, there wasn't any snow, so I didn't have any transport problems.
Right.
Exactly. Middle of winter, there wasn't any snow. I didn't have transport problem. So there wasn't any snow means good weather conditions. And it could be rain also. If it would say there was no rain and I had no issues, that no rain means good weather conditions. Will you please shut the door? Okay, now good weather condition is taken, so you can cross it as well. And I advise you, instead of coming down to question number 21 and writing E over there, in front of option E, you should write 21. You understand? In front of option E, you know what will happen if you do it like this? Even by mistake, you will not reuse one option which you have used already. Okay? You know now there are fewer options. Question number 21, deciding on equipment. Equipment, now look here. Equipment means camera, right? Other stuff for recording. So deciding on equipment. Please now listen.
Did you have to decide what equipment you'd need for the filming?
Yes, I think they were quite surprised at how well I managed that. It was just the luck of the draw, actually. I'd done that project with you last year.
Oh, on recording technology? So you knew a bit about it from that, right?
Yeah.
I done that project with you last year. Work on a previous assignment. Now you understand? I mean, this is what you guys, one day when you understand the language they use on the booklet and the language they use in the audio, and you practice around 10 tests, then this is all repetition. When I teach you Ielts, I teach you, see that I had not listened to the audio, although I cut the audio, but the points I told you, now these points repeatedly come in the audio. So if you focus these things and solve 10 to 12 tests, after that it's all repetition. You'll be fine with that. So for question number 22, I is the right answer. In front of I, you should write 22. And later on from there, you can transfer the answers, okay? On your answer sheet, you will only write alphabet. Right? For 22, what is the answer? I. For 21, E. Exactly. Now we have writing the script. Again, imagine a movie and script and all that.
What I found really hard was actually writing the script. I had a deadline for that, but the association had to extend it. I couldn't have done it otherwise.
Would it have helped if you'd had some training there?
I think you're right. I probably needed that, yeah.
Right.
Deadline. Yeah, and they extended that means being allowed extra time. Now, whenever they write being allowed extra time, just imagine deadline and they extended the deadline and all that. So for C, 23 is the right answer. Okay, so far so good? Sabko samajh aa raha hai? Great ho gaya, huh? This is very nice. Let's go on. Question number 24, casting. What does casting mean? No, casting means who is hero, who is villain, who is going to work and all that. Exactly. The casting of the movie. Like hero is this, heroine is this and that. So let's see what do they say about that.
Now, from your draft report, it sounds as if you had one or two problems deciding who was going to actually appear in the video.
The casting, yeah. I'd expected that the people who worked for the association would be really keen on taking part.
But they weren't.
The thing was, they were all so busy, and it did mean some of them had to travel. But Janice King, who I was reporting to for the project, she was great. She arranged for people to have time off and for their work to be covered, so that was a big help for me.
Right.
Option G, support of a manager. For manager, they use the word Janice or whatever came, and big help and support and all that. Please listen again. What did you say, others? H. H is help from a family member. I mean, help is mentioned, but family member is not mentioned. I'm playing this again. The right, you said A? A is advice from friends. He did not mention friends. He said colleagues, they were not willing to do it. Then the person helped me. Please listen again. 24.
Now, from your draft report, it sounds as if you had one or two problems deciding who was going to actually appear in the video.
The casting, yeah. I'd expected that the people who worked for the association would be really keen on taking part.
I'd expected people who work for the association would be keen for taking part and all that. So they were not his friends actually. He didn't mention that.
But they weren't.
The thing was, they were all so busy, and it did mean some of them had to travel. But Janice King, who I was reporting to for the project...
Okay, Janice came, who I was reporting to for the project. Who was I was reporting to? I mean, you usually report to someone who is in charge. So from there we understand manager, and now he says support.
She was great.
She was great.
She arranged for people to have time off and for their work to be covered. So that was a big help for me.
Right.
That was a big help for me. So Janice supported, manager and support. Okay, next is filming. Filming is recording, right? Filming, 25.
And it sounds like the filming itself went well. I gather you found a company who provided an online introduction to the techniques.
Yeah, it was really informative and very user-friendly. I learned a lot from it.
B, information on a website online, and it was very useful and I learned a lot from it. So for B, it's question number 25. Okay, editing. Now editing is done on computer. So there can be something related to that, okay? Yeah.
And then the editing?
For that, the association put me in touch with someone who works for one of the big movie companies, and I went down to the studio and sat with him in front of his computer for a day, learning how to cut and paste and deal with the soundtrack and so on.
D. Now, I tell you, D, meeting a professional filmmaker, that is the right answer. Where is that option? Getting a better computer. Computer is mentioned, but he did not mention getting a better computer, right? So someone professional, meeting a professional filmmaker, and D is the right answer for 26. Do I need to repeat it? It's okay? Oh, yes? All right, I'll repeat it. No problem.
And then the editing?
For that, the association put me in touch with someone who works for one of the big movie companies.
Someone who works for one of the big movie companies. That is professional filmmaker. From there we understand, right? Okay, now let's go on. Last one is designing the DVD cover, right? You know DVD, it's got cover, and now we don't use DVDs, but in the past we had DVDs with the cover on it. So let's see.
So was that all?
No, I didn't include this in my draft report, but I had to design the cover for the DVD as well, the lettering and everything.
Have you done any of that sort of design work before?
No, but I did a rough draft and then talked it through with a couple of my mates, and they gave me some more ideas, And when I'd finished it, I showed it to the people who worked at the association, and they really liked it.
Excellent.
Couple of my mates. Now, mates and friends. Okay, this language you need to learn. So the answer is actually A. So you might have noticed whenever we do this matching, you just need to look for synonyms, how something can be redefined, how something can be reworded, redefined, reworded using different words and all that. Thank you.